are at the Hoover Dam on the Arizona side. Check out how beautiful this is. I mean, you gotta come if you're in Vegas. It's about a 30-minute drive. It's unbelievably beautiful. So when you're visiting the Hoover Dam, you want to make sure you check out the winged figures of the Republic. Just something to see while you're here. The Hoover Dam has been amazing. You can also walk and see the Arizona state sign. Again, I highly recommend checking it out. We didn't do any of the tours. We just walked around. Beautiful. And here's the Welcome to Nevada sign as you're leaving Hoover Dam. When you're visiting the Hoover Dam, you want to make sure you stop by and see the winged, what do they call it?